Hello and welcome to Module 3, where we will be exploring how to create a screencast. We will be using a software called Explain Everything, and with this software you'll be able to bring in images and add your own drawings as well as text, and then put your voice with it to create the screencast video. To learn how to use the software, we're going to start by learning how to plan for a screencast. And our first topic will be explaining how to create a peanut butter and jelly sandwich to a 7-year-old. In this process, we'll start by collecting images, outlining what we want to do, what we want to say, and then we'll bring those into Explain Everything, record our audio, and share them with each other. We can talk about the things we've learned about the software. And then we will take these skills and we will start to apply them to creating what I call a math cast, which is you explaining math to an elementary age student. In our math cast, we'll start with a plan, and then we'll take that plan and we'll use Explain Everything to create the math cast. We'll peer review those. I'll have you go back and make any edits you want, and then we'll come up with a final version of those, and we'll also upload these to YouTube. I am here to help you through this process, and I look forward to getting started.